Hello, in this video I would like to introduce this course, Positive Psychology, Project Design Your Life for Well-Being. The course is a final project-based course. Its main goal is to help students design their own lives in a way that supports well-being, meaning, and personal growth. Using ideas from positive psychology at meaning, of course. Students review the main concept of positive psychology. This includes well-being, strength, meaning, resilience, mindfulness, and positive relationship. The course help students connect these ideas to their own real lives. A key part of the course is self-reflection. Students are encouraged to think about their values, goals, daily habits, and personal strengths. Through guided question and exercise, they learn what is currently working well in their lives and they would like to change. The course then focuses on the design of a personal well-being plan. Students create a clear and realistic plan that includes positive habits, meaningful goals, and practical strategies to improve their well-being. This plan is based on scientific research, not just personal wishes. Another important aspect, of course, is taking action. Students are asked to try their well-being plans in daily life. They reflect on their experience, notice changes, and make adjustments when needed. This process helps turn theory into real change. The course also highlights the importance of long-term well-being. Students learning with well-being is not one-time achievement, but an ongoing process that requires awareness, flexibility, and commitment. In summary, positive psychology specialization project Design Your Life for Well-Being is a practical and personal course. It helps students apply positive psychology skills to their own lives and design a life that supports greater well-being, balance, and meaning.